this. What is this, soup? Guys, look how crazy this is. I got a flat completely randomly on the highway. I pulled off, and right by the exit is a fucking tire shop.
It's a great location.
Great location. There goes Natalie. Oh my god. Natalie's so confused. These guys just surprised me with a brand new car. Look at this. It's my new favorite car. And the best part is right here. Watch. Just married Todd and Natalina. Look at this filter. Makes Jonah look like he's the president. Bro, it looks like he's snuck into the president's office and jerked off in his chair.
I don't see it.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the President of the United States. Hello. Hi. Hello, Mr. President. Oh my god. Natalie's so confused. What is this? What kind of a caveman speaks such solid English? What is this? Ew. Back at it again. The traveling circus is at it again.
Wait a second. Come on. Following me. Wherever I go.
Sure, stop.
You ready to come? Where are you going? Should we come?
Joe, you give me that battery shit. Don't touch my face.
Why are you sweaty?
Because you make me fucking heated, dog.
Here we go. Jay, you gotta spin?
3 times? Oh my god, he made it. Oh! He made it. Holy shit! Oh!
Joe, thanks for the perfect date. I mean, day.
What'd you say?
Perfect day.
It means a lot.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Jonah, are you making fun of me?
What did you say?
Are you making fun of me?
What did you say, dude?
What are you doing? Why is your
What
shirt
did you
off?
say, bro?
Why is your shirt off?
Get your foot up.
Get your foot off there. Why are you making fun of me? What?
Holy fuck.
Excuse me? Can I please get a water? Thank you. I'm nervous. Dee, I'm gonna get a water. I'm gonna get a water. Oh, we gotta get the thing off. Oh, we gotta get the thing off.
I think Instagram should be free on like all devices. I think if you get your hair done, you should not have to pay any extra for shampoo or whatever. And candy should be available for everyone.
Bernie.